I've seen £1 million businesses fail, not because they weren't profitable, but because they just simply ran out of cash. Hi, my name is Usman. I'm a qualified accountant, and I've been in accounting and tax for nearly 10 years. And here's what I've learned. First when I started accounting and tax, I thought it was just about adding numbers. 10 years later, after working hundreds of clients, I realized it's much more than that. Let me tell you what I've learned over nearly a decade of experience. Cash flow matters more than profit. I've seen £1 million businesses fail, not because they weren't profitable, but because they just simply ran out of cash. Profit on paper means nothing if you can't afford to pay your staff or even yourself. Cash in the bank is what keeps a business alive. Rule number 2, HMRC is your silent business partner. For most people, tax is the biggest expense. It's larger than rent, salary, or suppliers. But with the right planning, you can save more in tax than you ever could by cutting cost. Number 3, structure. Structure determines success. Some clients have saved thousands by simply setting up the right structure from day one. Others have lost just as much when they didn't. How you own asset and take profit shapes your entire financial future. The numbers don't lie. Most business owners think they know how the company is doing until the numbers tell a different story. Accurate record keeping means better decision making, stronger cash flow, and no nasty surprises from HMRC. Wealth is built over time. The wealthiest clients aren't simply chasing quick wins. They're consistent, they reinvest, and they use their allowances every year, and they plan their exit early. Quick fixes and short-term thinking always cost more than in the long run. So nearly a decade, I've learned the biggest risk isn't bad products or poor sales, it's failing to understand money, tax, and structures.